Video editing has become an essential part of modern-day content creation. Today's video is going to be very important because in this video I will show 5 important features of Filmora video editing. After watching that, you won't have a single question about video editing. So watch the video carefully till the end and subscribe the channel now. Let's start the video. These are the 5 important topics I will talk about today. First is about Filmora. How to install Filmora. How to start video editing. And how to export my video without watermark. How to download Filmora latest version 2024. Filmora is a popular video editing software known for its user-friendly interface and a wide range of editing tools that make it easy for beginners to create professional-looking videos. It offers features such as timeline editing, advanced text editing, transitions, filters and effects, as well as support for 4K video editing. Users can also add music, sound effects, and voiceovers to their videos, as well as export their projects in various formats for sharing on social media or uploading to YouTube. Filmora is a versatile and affordable option for both amateur and experienced video editors. Download the installation file from the official website or a trusted source. To start the installation process, double-click on the downloaded file provided by the installation wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions. Choose the installation directory and any additional settings as needed. Now wait for the installation process for completion. Once the installation is finished, you can launch the software and start using it. Import your video clips. Open Filmora and click on Import to select the video clips you want to edit from your computer. Drag and drop your clips onto the timeline. Drag your video clips from the media library to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Trim and split your clips. Use the scissor tool to cut your clips into smaller sections or trim the beginning and end of each clip to remove unwanted footage. Add transitions. Click on the Transitions tab and drag a transition between 2 clips on the timeline. To create a smooth transition between them, add music and sound effects. Click on the Music tab to add background music to your video. You can also add sound effects by clicking on the Sound tab. Add text and titles. Click on the Text Credit tab to add text or titles to your video. You can customization the color, size, font, and animation. Apply filters and effects. Click on the Effects tab to apply filters and effects to your video clips. You can adjust the intensity of the effect using the sliders. Export your video. Once you are happy with your video, click on the Export button to save your video to your computer. You can choose the format, resolution, and quality of the exported video. Wondershare Filmora has a free trial version with the same features as the paid version, but you'll only get 10 tries to export the software, and it will use a watermark to output your files. The watermark will be removed when you purchase a paid plan and release the software. The free version of Filmora Video Editor has many useful features, but it has some limitations, such as watermarks. Filmora is an excellent video editing software If you're looking for reliable and easy-to-use video editing software, Filmora is definitely worth considering. Go to description for link to download. Filmora, latest premium software. You can easily download from here. Thank you very much for watching.